This thing will be a collector's item for years to come because it is just an absolute badass truck. We're in the middle of the Imperial sand dunes, and this thing could keep up with the Jeep, with Can-Ans. There's just so much power going to all four wheels, and with 37-inch tires, it is miraculous that this thing could also tow 12,000 pounds and go 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. What's up, Forge Nation? Carter here from Forge 4x4, and behind me is Chaos, a one-of-a-kind RAM 1500 TRX that could be parked in your garage. For starters, let's open up the hood on this beast and not trip on the sand. Underneath the hood is a big piece of plastic, and underneath that plastic is some more plastic, and underneath that plastic is a 6.2 liter supercharged V8, also known as the Hellcat. This Hellcat truck pushes 702 horsepower, goes 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, and it's just a pleasure to drive. I mean, it's a lot of fun. We've done a TRX build sheet before, and I will say the last one that we had a cold air intake right here that, I don't know, might have been a little overkill. I didn't notice a big performance difference, so we went with stock, and I do love this decal that has the TRX eating a Raptor. I don't think Raptor is fully recovered from the TRX launching, and what is incredibly disappointing and sad is the last generation of TRXs is this year. After that, they're not making them anymore. So we're gonna try and load up and get as many as we can, but these things will be a collector's item. I have mixed feelings about aftermarket bumpers on the TRX. I did like the look of Cerberus with the Addictive Desert designs, but I feel like the stock look of the stock bumpers actually is fantastic. I really like the look of it. So we opted to keep those, but we added a 20-inch light bar here by Baja Designs that's amber backlit. We also have two monster LP9 lights right here and some XL Pro lights by Baja Designs on the A-frame pillar. Overall, you're never not going to be able to see at night. This is plenty of lights to get you on and off the trail and have some fun with some nighttime riding. One thing I really like about our TRX is this 3M wrap. It's in a charcoal color that I think really pops. Underneath that is a black paint. So once you are done with the wrap in 3 to 5 years, take that off and you're gonna have a brand new paint job underneath. Now, this is the first time we have ever run Vossen wheels on any of our rigs, and I am absolutely in love with these. These are the HFX1 wheels by Vossen in a gunmetal finish. I love this little cap right here. Great off-road performance at a -18 offset. And with that, we paired them with the Nitto Trail Grapplers, 37-inch tires. And in order to fit those, we had to add 3-inch Geiser springs, similar to what we've done in other rigs, and also a Foutz Motorsports Panhard Kit in the back. Once you lift up your TRX, the suspension is going to be offset a little bit, so that Panhard Kit makes sure that the back of your truck stays where you want it to and it doesn't flex too much when you're off-roading. So that was a necessary addition. For suspension on our TRX, we are staying with the Blackhawk E2 Adaptive Suspension. As far as off-road trucks go, that's one of my favorite suspensions. The TRX, you can just eat up the trails and also have great performance on the road. They put a lot of money into R&D in order to have a product that I think is worthy of the TRX name. So now that we've seen the outside and some of the bells and whistles, let's check out the inside. This RAM 1500 TRX is a level 2 package. So with that, you get the full panoramic sunroof. You got the Alcantara leather seats. This awesome badge, which lets everyone know that you got 702 horsepower underneath the hood. The 14-inch screen with all the bells and whistles that you come to expect. The heads-up display. Carbon fiber on the dash, TRX logos all over the place, heated and cooled seats. This thing is a luxury vehicle. And of course, in every TRX, you have the launch mode where you press that button, put your foot on the brake, and then hit the gas and go. This thing is like a drag racing off-roading truck. I absolutely love it. It's also equipped with trailer steering, which, interest of full disclosure, I've never tried before. Don't really need it, but some people may like that. You have your e-brake controller, you have your trailer brake, and then also all the lights are hooked up to aux channels. We have the amber backlights set to your day runners, so those are always going to be running, which adds a really cool look at nighttime and also keeps you a little safer. People can see you from further away when you have the amber accents going. With the 3 inches of lift and 37-inch tires, those who are vertically challenged will appreciate the Amp Research side steps. That will get you in and out of the vehicle. And in the back here, to keep everything safe and secure, we have a tonneau cover. That is a Retrax tonneau cover, really simple to unlock and push. That thing opens up. Plenty of storage back here. It also comes with a full-size spare with a Vossen wheel that you could put into the back of the truck bed. Unfortunately, with the TRX, the 37s won't fit where the normal spare tire goes, but you can throw it in your truck bed and keep it around for those long trips that you might need it. The back is a stock bumper. The exhaust sounds fantastic, and this thing is one of my favorite trucks in the world for good reason. And for good measure, we also have a little side step right there, but it's pretty standard on level 2 packages. There you have it, Chaos. Our 2023 Ram 1500 TRX is live right now. You could win this at Forge4x4.com. And if you didn't know, our grand prize winner has the option of picking this unbelievable super truck or this Jeep Wrangler 392 with a Whipple supercharger underneath. If you want to see the build sheet on this rig, simply click that link to the side or in the description to check out that build sheet. There's only one place that you could win one of these rigs, and that's at Forge4x4.com. So go claim your entries to win right now. Thanks for watching, guys.